Okay, so our integer addition problem is 729 plus negative 1,901. This equation is equal to 729 subtract 1,901. So just to visualize this equation here, I'm going to put it on a number line. So we start with the positive integer, which is 729. So it's positive, so it's on the right side of the zero. And then we're adding a negative, or subtracting 1,901. So from 729, we're moving left down the number line by 1,901. So we end up on this side of on the left side of the zero somewhere. So now, since we know that this is 729 here, this space, and we know that the total is 1,901, all we need to find is the space to the left of the zero. So we can visually see what we need to do here. So we have this portion of 1,901, but we need to find this portion on this side. So to do that, we just need to find the difference between these two numbers. So we can think of this as a subtraction equation. On the side here, we go 1,901 subtract 729. So find out the difference. So we get 1,172. But we can see on our number line that it's on the left side of the zero, so it's a negative. So by doing this equation, all we need to do is add a negative to our difference, and we can plot it on the number line. So the sum of our addition integer equation is negative 1,172. So as you can see on the side here, what we did, we got our answer, but we just had to add a negative. And I'll show you on a number line what the relationship between these two numbers is. So if we just simply switch the two, the order of the two numbers, and we get this subtraction equation. So on the number line, it looks like this. So we start with the positive, which is 1,901. And we subtract 729. So it's a negative 729. So we move left down the number line by negative 729. So as you can see, this positive number is larger than the negative number. So we're still going to be on the right side of the zero, which our difference tells us. So we're at 1,172. Now you can see on the number lines here that you're getting the opposite integer when you switch the two numbers, and then you just have to add a negative in the front. So that's how you can think of this as a as a subtraction equation.